Alright, check it out, welcome back. We are putting in the harness right now. I've got a 6-point harness, Sabelt harness is the brand, like you know, and we're putting it in the 180 today. So, we've got, I'm not going to unbox this because, who wants an unboxing video? We want an installation video. Alright, so look, check this out. Alright, so basically, I've got the strap here. I've put in one of the eye bolts and I've connected one of the lap belts, just so I can see the placement of it. I have to drill a hole on the other side and put the other lap belt in there. I've also got, I've put in the center part which goes between the crotch. I've got to get underneath and drill 2 holes to put those plates that are about 75mm by 75mm, and they've got a nut on them. That's the bolt and the plate. And basically you feed the eye bolt through and you put the plate underneath the car and you screw it on to make sure it's heavily secured. This is very important. If you have an accident, this is very important. This is what's going to keep you in place. So we want to make sure it's tied down properly and no bodge jobs, because we don't do bodge jobs here. Once I pull the seat out, I can then drill the 2 holes underneath and the hole on the side, put all the bolts, put the seat back in and connect the harness. Alright, so I didn't pull the seat out because I didn't need to. I could pull the seat forward and then I could get to the holes that I needed to get to, which is good because it saves me pulling the seat out. Who wants to pull the seat out? Especially when there's a roll cage here. It's hard to get out, you know? Anyway, so I've drilled the first 2 holes here. One there, and the other one is here. This goes through there, and this goes underneath the car, and you screw it together. Ultimate in safety. Make sure these harnesses are well secured, because I need to be well secured when I'm hanging it sideways. Alright, so all 4 bolts are in. 1, 2, 3, 4. So now I'm just going to put the seat back in and connect the harness up and do the roll bars at the back. Actually, I might do those now while the seat's forward. I'm just going to do these bars here. Alright, here we go. We've got the wraps. I have to unravel this, feed it over the bar, and then re-wrap it. So, let's go. Alright, so I've got the harness in, I'm strapped in, I'm not going anywhere, which is awesome, and that's it. I've bolted the seat in, bolted the harness, tightened up any loose nuts and bolts, and we are ready to go. Hydro handbrakes in, should be good. See how we go.